Watch, watch, watch. The world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? Hey, yo. A franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You know what go already when I come for represent. You know a full effect thing. You know when me aim up, load up, crank up and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. What? You know a loud explosion, boy. Yeah. Just give me a second, make my sparks up this because things are going to get real electrified right about now. Brilliantly done. Actually, factually, and naturally. Hear me, man? Gaza Nation, me need you to go over upon Vybz Kartel IG. The boss say Babylon a try off of him. A long time me I tell you, say the first black man, powerful black man the world get rid of, who defend poor people, Christ, And then it come down to Martin Luther King and you can name it, all of the greats them. You know what I mean? Been pressured by Babylon system and I don't tell you that. So from the boss say them a try off him, that mean boy I put thing in the boss food, Boy I mingle up with the man thing them where for go inside of him, No joke talk. From the boss say, Babylon a try off him, them want get rid of him. Yo, half the thing them a put in the man thing them, where the man a eat and drink, So here we go on right about now. The fuck of them sister, the world catch on upon them, because of modern technology, And the fucking fool thing where them fabricate and want to prosecute the man for, Everybody catch on upon it because they make such a big blunder. Them think them are some bright, intelligent people and they make such a big blunder. In the case, the case gets stink and rotten. And right now, the world has smell it. You see what I deal with? So through the world has smell it and right now, what the all Fox 5's got blast it, You know what I mean? And I give them a dose of them medicine where them a put out, I tell you something, And that's the main reason why you hear, You don't hear nothing or talk, But the man for coming a march, Them put off all of that and them shit there, You see what I deal with? So right about now, You can see, what really fucking are going on, More ask, because me did been do a video and tell this before, But it come like more time I talk people, listen to what I deal with. Yo, me not deal with the lollipop thing, A loud explosion each and every time I sound the big thing, them, I want me to, watch no man. Yo, Vybz Kartel is a big kingpin in a Jamaica who I deal with like gangster business, a big kingpin, a big top down, a big drugs lad. Yo, Vybz Kartel is a musician in my virgin. Vybz Kartel is a revolutionist, with a mouth, for the poor people, And at that make Babylon like the man, That's why I'm even dead so all to the day, At that make them not like the man, You know what I mean? And them think they are lollipop thing, First, them want blame the man. Say, the man music, cause so much crime. The man music cause them look at data, them where them can't control, them house, say, bleach out themselves and bore up themselves, belly ring, and have tattoo all about. You know what I mean? That them not like about the man, But yet still, them still play for the cable. Them still pay for the cable channel. We have blacking crew and all kind of basketball, wife and love and hip hop and all of them fandangles there where them a dive down inner. And them not see say, them not blame them thing there, Them want blame Vybz Kartel. Where is a man who probably even take a look on them shit there too. Who know what it is. About them shit there. Because I hear them man there sing, and when them man there a job tune, them man there sing out the whole of them, about the whole of the cable channel them. So I know says a man where know what go on and have an idea what go on. You not blame them thing there, you not blame the internet, but you come and blame the man. Yo, you let go the bomb buckle man, Because fuck you not go on with it, You let go the man and send home the man to him family, my virgin. Let a time for no let go the man now. Right now, man, now you know dispute and one could have look on some bumbo clock long. Eh? Oh, no, look up. I bet if some corruption, you know, for look up underneath, you not do that. You know, blame the man, say the man music cause all of them there. 8 years now since, it a go 8 years now since Vybz Kartel they wish part him there. And crime has been advanced more than how it even used to go on when the man even there road. So who no want to believe? Who no? I fuck who not tell me why the crime thing so high? Why? If him was the one who used to create all of them shit, why the crime thing so high now? Eh? Be a fuck who not go on with it, you know. Be a lollipop thing, you know. You not blame the man for be a wrongful thing, you know. So right now, you know, you know how much fucking youth grew up right now since Vybz Kartel get locked up and bleach out and tattoo out and bore up them skin and them not see Vybz Kartel. Now the genre that way everybody are run down. Now run down the Big Apple style. And now run down first world country style. Now that you know do. I want third world country. Now run down the people them style. Now drop on roots and culture and run down the people them style. And why you think so much killing a go on? Man want money for floss, man want money for buy big house, big car, and go on all kind of shit. One bag of scamming thing come in, all kind of stupidness. Man a take all kind of wicked thing for go kill people. Cause me hear man a say yo, them rascal take thing and kill people and forget and all them shit there. You know what I mean? I not see it. All on the internet, I see them thing they are coming out. I not see the police them, you know. I get in on a body skin, you know, and try to find out who them man ya chat so wicked, you know, and do all of them shit there, you know. No. You know see Vybz Kartel, right? You know see Vybz Kartel. Well, let me tell you something, you know. The world has spoken, you know. Say, you know, a hypocrisy you know go on with in a justice department, you know. And all know, you know, we not see nobody from the justice department underneath, you know. No formal investigation, you know. We after all kind of tampering evidence and all of them shit that in the man thing, you know. And when two people smell, you know, because of the thing, you know, smell stink, you know. And the whole world has smell it, you know. Now not try to get rid of the man or tamper with the man food and the man drink them. Eh? Yo, I go load it up, you know. Because if anything happen to the boss, you shall hold responsible to the fullest, you know. You hear me I tell you, no? You let go the boss and send the man, make the man go on him yard and use it the man do. The man not part of no revolutionary squad, my brethren. We are fight against the bumbuckler country or them shit there. Let go the man. The man a revolutionist with him mouth. You know what I mean? A man that a poor people think the man deal with defender. The man not fight no physical war with you, my brethren. Go look for the man them who are fire shot and a kill people every day, my brethren. A kill off the people them who all a come from all America, all over the world. As tourists and a come out the country, come and hang out. People who are class retire and a go down for build up them fucking mansion and live good. For them hard working money and people have murdered them. You go look for them people and load the man alone. You don't know the general, the 10-star one. And listen to me, every time I represent, you know a full effect. You know I'm not laugh with it. When I sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. So let me tell you something about Babylon. And you look up people in the justice system who you claim you want get rid of the world boss. Let me tell you something. The world are watching you know. And if you don't believe me, you know, hear this. What? A Gaza for life, you know. Free world boss. Oh.